Can you explain the System Development Life Cycle, SDLC, and its phases?
The SDLC phases include planning, analysis, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance, ensuring structured development and maintenance of information systems.
How do you gather and document user requirements for a new system?
User requirements are gathered through interviews, surveys, workshops, and observation, and documented using requirement specifications, user stories, and use case diagrams.
What is normalization in database design, and why is it important?
Normalization organizes data to minimize redundancy and improve integrity through stages like 1NF, 2NF, and 3NF, ensuring efficient and consistent database management.
How would you apply systems thinking to solve a complex problem in an organization?
Systems thinking involves identifying system components, understanding their interrelationships, analyzing feedback loops, and developing holistic solutions considering long-term impacts.
What are the key differences between Agile and Waterfall methodologies, and when would you use each?
Waterfall is linear and best for stable requirements, while Agile is iterative and suitable for projects with evolving requirements and a need for rapid delivery and feedback.